Hello, this is Bang the Jet, does cars, and today we're going to do a little bit of exhaust work on the Sonic. We got important news first, before we can actually roll that intro. Celebrating this landmark occasion, 100 followers on Instagram, which is awesome. And I figured I'd do a giveaway. The way that it's gonna work is all you have to do is go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and take a screenshot of your account, subscribe to my account, send that to me either through YouTube direct messaging, my email, or Instagram direct messaging, Facebook. Just send me a screenshot of you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll be entered to win. I'm going to run it for 30 days, so that would be, I'm going to take all the people that have done that, I'm just going to throw them into a randomizer, and whoever is chosen is the winner. So it'll be totally random. The winner will get 2 items from a merch store up to like $50. So up to $50, you could, I checked, I mean, you should be able to get like a backpack and a shirt, or 2 shirts, or a face mask and a shirt, and, you know, a pin. I don't know if I have any pins, or I don't know. You know, you can make it work however you want within reason. We can work together for it, but yeah. So that is a contest, and I'll have more information about it on my Instagram as well as my Facebook, which you can find in the description of the video. So yeah, back to exhaust stuff. Roll the intro. Basically, we're going to go and take the entire exhaust system off, whatever we can get to anyways, without tearing into it too deep. And we're going to inspect everything, look at the cats and see how good they are. There are 2 in this car, so if either one of them is bad and the other is good, then that's the good one, and I'll just delete the other one and go 2.5 there as well. So I don't need 2 catalytic converters. The other thing is, I got a new tool. It's a silly tool. It's the kind of tool that I've actually never owned for some silly reason, but I've always been able to borrow somebody's, doing a lot more work on the car, and finding that asking somebody to borrow their impact every time I want to work on the car is kind of a pain. So I just went and bought the cheapest impact at Harbor Freight. This was like, yeah, I don't know. It was like 25 bucks or something like that, and honestly, it doesn't seem too bad. It's just very basic. I figured that if I keep it oiled and everything, I shouldn't have any issues. I should be able to get a year or so, at least a year, maybe more out of this thing. I think it's going to get a good workout, and so this will double as my review for the Central Pneumatic 1/2-inch impact. So let's get going. Okay, so it's a new day. It got a little hot out yesterday, so just finished up taking it all apart. I got the whole exhaust system out and everything, and I'm looking at it now, deciding, you know, what I'm going to do to change it this time. And I think I've come up with a pretty good idea here. So essentially, we got the secondary cat right there. The primary cat's still on the car. I haven't pulled it off. It doesn't look bad. I don't really want to gut it, you know, when it's in good shape. But I can go sell this one and get $100 or whatever. Or figure out how to, you know, mine the raw minerals out of there. And yeah, I don't know that it's worth that effort, but I'm going to get rid of any of these little janky things that use those kind of exhaust clamps there. I'm done with those. They leak. You know, you can see I had this on there pretty good still. I mean, I guess I didn't torque it on there that well, but still, I'm not a fan of that clamp. I've heard bad things about them anyways, and they are kind of a hassle to take off. So what I'm thinking I'll do is actually I'll just grind the edges off of the MagnaFlow here and weld it, which is what I should have done in the first place. So I'm going to make that tailpipe. It'll slide in here like so, and I'll just weld that lip around it, you know. So I guess pretty much at this point, we're going to start cutting things up and making do. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this flange off. I actually figured out, this is something cool to know too. If you've got a Sonic, you know, the main exhaust system, the resonator and everything from the cat here back, everything from there back to the muffler is all 1 3/4. But apparently, in front of that, you can see here it goes from 1 3/4 to 2 inches actually. So this is 2.5. 2.5 is pretty close. I don't know if you can see down in there or not. I don't know, but it's pretty close. So really, all you need to do if you go from if you wanted to just go from this pipe back and delete the cat or whatever, you could get these kind of adapters. And slide them on, and you could go from 2 to 2.5. Alright, so we're going to start cutting stuff up and making the new exhaust. So I was getting ready to put the flex pipe back on, the mid pipe here, so that I could line it all up and get this guy ready, slide him on, and kind of measure out where the new hanger is going to need to go for that. Quick, so I'm kind of looking around at it, hitting it with the wire wheel, and I found this guy. Big old crack. So this is actually cracked above the other pipe. I think that it's likely that it hasn't been leaking exhaust there. I'm just going to fill this in and we'll get this done. We should be out of here by the end of the night. So We're gonna make our own turn down out of this old 2.5-inch pipe. So it's already got a bend here. All I need basically is a pipe that's like, you know, probably this long, straight cut there, come down, and then I'll cut it. So it'd be like something like that, you know, straight across there, and then at an angle here, which is what a turn down is. So the exhaust comes and turns down. And then pretty much that's it. I weld it all up, and I'll be done before dark, I think, maybe. So, oh, I do got to figure out the hanger. So that's one more thing I got to cut. I'm thinking I'll just probably cut, you know, this old hanger off of this one and fit that onto this pipe somehow. It's about time for the moment of truth. So I'm getting the camera set up here. This guy rolling real quick. So that's gonna get the loudest of it down underneath the car there. And then this guy's gonna be with me. I also wanna set up my cell phone. Find where I set it. So that I can get a video for like social media or whatever. So. Hopefully it doesn't sound like shit. Moment of truth. Here we go. Sound bad yet. All right. Try to give it some of this without getting it off the stands. I'm into it, man. It's not too loud at all. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, next step is to test drive it, obviously. So, just gotta go around and pick up all the little stuff. All the stuff that's underneath the car. Pretty loud. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that, whatever, yada yada yada. Don't forget I got merch. That's pretty cool. I'm wearing the shirt, matter of fact. Does Cars Sonic. And yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully you can hear how it really sounds on the video. Hopefully it doesn't make it sound weird. So thank you, everybody. Catch you on Flip Flop later.